What's up, guys? It's me, Trixie. It's me, Blaze. Today I am showing you how to make a fridge like this. Forget about the wooden part. The wooden part is just like the back of the house. Just imagine it's the back of the house. And yeah, I'll be showing you to make a fridge like this. Make sure you have these ingredients: 1 block of iron, 1 block of iron, 1 iron door, 1 button, and 1 dispenser. Also, you just have to fill it like this, and yeah, it gives it to you. So I better make this video before nighttime. So you might also need 2 blocks of anything. So wait, before I start, just gonna go to options, difficulty. Then put a block of iron, then a dispenser. Put a block of iron at the top, then the dispenser at the bottom. Then place this iron door exactly where I place it. So stand right next to the dispenser of iron or fridge, and put that. Then grab the button. Put it over there, and if you add anything into it, like 6 oak tree plants or whatever, just push the button and it will give it to you. But just push the button like that, walk in front of it, push the button, and bam, you got it. And that's how you make a fridge. Before I start this video, I'm just gonna show you all the fails I did. Fail number 1, fail number 2, not a fail, and another fail, another one. Well, bye, thanks for watching this video. Hope you have a great time.